Who can I take help from? Oh, hello. My name is Shwara Srivastav and you're watching Shwara's Code. Actually, it's my friend's birthday today. He lives in America. It's an unnatural friend, I know. And he is the American Bison. His name is Robbie. So, I was thinking that how can I wish him if I live in India and the time is different from India to America? Let me call my another friend, the bald eagle. Teet 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 teet. Hello. Hello, bald eagle. How are you? I am fine. How about you? Oh, is a recording going on? Hello, everybody. So, bald eagle, I hope you're fine, but I have a doubt. My friend, the American Bison, lives in America and I in India. So how can I wish him from India to America? I think I have an idea. You should create an app which can tell you the time of India and America both. Good idea. Thank you. Bye. So as you heard my friend, by taking his advice, I am going to build an app. So that's the reason we are here today. So I have built this time zone app, which will display both America and India's time. So let me show you. See, this is India part and America part. Let's see, show time. It's 18:06:49, which is the 50, 51, which is second part. This is the minute and this is the hour. So 18 means 6, 7 minutes means 7 past 6, and approximately, if you can tell this. So now let's see the time in USA. Oh, it's 37 minutes past 7 or 23 minutes left for 8. Interesting. Means it is 7 a.m. over here and 6 p.m. over here. So now I understand it. Means when it will be evening 5 p.m. in America, I should wish him. Oh, I will have to wait at the night. No problem for my friend. So, thank you. Hope you like my app. Be with me. I'm Shaurya from Shaurya's Code. Like coding, be protected, and always try to learn coding. It is an interesting subject, even Python. So bye, have a nice day, and see you again soon. Bye.